Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming essentials that'll leave you looking sharp and feeling fresh. On the left, we have the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR, and on the right, we have the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400. Get ready for some serious shaving showdown. Let's kick things off with the battle of the wallets. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR comes in at a price of $32, while the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 is just a tad pricier at $39. So, if you're on a tight budget, you might want to lean towards the Braun. But hey, sometimes a few extra bucks are worth it for an upgrade, right? Now let's talk hygiene. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR boasts an alcohol-based cleaning solution that not only cleans your shaver but also provides optimal hygiene. And if that's not enough, it even has a refreshing lemon scent, so you'll not only look clean but also smell like a citrus paradise. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 doesn't have any fancy cleaning solution, but fear not, my friends, it's still easy to clean under the tap. Time to get down to the nitty-gritty, folks. Performance. The Braun Clean and Renew cartridges not only clean but also lubricate your shaver with high-energy lubricants, ensuring your shaver's best performance. It's like giving your shaver a spa day. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 features ComfortCut blades that provide a clean and comfortable shave. Plus, its 4D flex heads move independently to adjust to the curves of your face, neck, and jawline. Talk about flexibility. Now, let's see which one of these grooming gurus has some extra tricks up its sleeve. The Braun Clean and Renew cartridges are compatible with any Clean&Charge unit, guaranteeing you a fresh, clean, and hygienic shave every day. That's some serious convenience. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 comes equipped with a pop-up trimmer, perfect for maintaining your mustache and sideburns. It's like having a mini barbershop in the palm of your hand. Last but not least, let's talk power. The Braun Clean and Renew cartridges don't require any batteries because, well, they're not an electric shaver. But fear not, my friends, they last for a solid 2 months before needing a refill. On the flip side, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 gives you up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime, which is approximately 13 shaves. So whether you're a frequent traveler or a forgetful charger, these options have got you covered. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR and the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 have battled it out, and it's time for you to make the final call. Will you go for the hygienic freshness of the Braun or the versatile performance of the Philips? Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment letting us know which product you'd choose. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.